There are some specific barriers that women face when it comes to being active. For one, girls are often socialized away from a lot of sports in school, and so they're less confident, for example, doing team sports. Two, a lot of women are mothers, and a lot of them are single mothers, so they have so many responsibilities in terms of taking care of kids, cooking, cleaning, that it's easy for being active to become a last priority. I mean, there's no silver bullet. What we really need is collaboration between a lot of different sectors. So some of the solutions can involve encouraging community-based activity, in which we have classes that are at the community level, that are affordable, fun, appealing to women and to community members more broadly. That's one strategy that could be successful. Also focusing on promoting walking, which is the type of activity that anyone can do and is fairly easy, but really has a serious health impact. The Get Women Moving campaign is going really well. We started in April, and since then we've had over 500 women attend classes. There are 4 classes going on today, or classes in 4 different locations on multiple days of the week. Some classes are as big as 50 students, and in fact we've had to move locations to accommodate the greater class size. And the feedback we've been getting has been really great in terms of women who aren't really gym people, wouldn't really otherwise get exercise, are coming out and being active on a regular basis. I think the program is working because it touches on things that women are really concerned about. So first, the price. It's only $3, so it is affordable, and it's something that it's just a little bit more than a bus fare, so that's manageable. 2, it's dance fitness, so it's a kind of movement that women are already comfortable and familiar with and enjoy doing, so it's something fun and social. And then 3, the teachers are really dynamic and really invested in the people who come to their classes. So I think that relationship is building and a community is forming in the classes that we've started.